to our YouTube's interwebs. So what I'm doing here is I'm fixing this slider for a drawer. So this slider goes in here like so. It's gonna attach up in here like this. So in the past, it had a bracket. I'll try to zoom in on that bracket. See that side, there's a bracket. They don't lack. I've had several of them break. The better way to do it would be to run another piece of wood from here to there and brace it, and then attach the slide to that piece of wood. That would be solid. But for right now, that's what I got going on that end. But I'm gonna change that out. But this end been giving me a big problem. So I went ahead and cut this piece of wood to make it flush. From this edge, this is all flush all the way to the back, and I'll be able to mount the slider, or the rail, I should say, the rail along this. And as long as I'm level and lined up, this is going to be a way better mounting than that little plastic bracket. All right, so that's what I got going. I'll be back.